Hello everyone. I wanted to show you how to quickly change a color palette on an image. This is a digital background that I am working on right now. It is not done, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. I found this image on the internet and I'm really loving the color. So I want to bring this color from this image over to my own. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to flatten my image, and then I'm going to hit Ctrl J to copy that, and then I am going to go to Image, Adjustments, and Match Color. And down here you can see the image that is open now, but I want to go ahead and match these colors. So now that those colors are applied to this image, we can mess with the image options. We have luminance, color intensity, and fade. And you can just go through one by one and change them and see what happens when you do. And then fade. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it just like that, and I'm going to click OK. And you can always lower the opacity. You can always put a layer mask on, and then with your black brush you can take that adjustment off of where you want. Quick and easy.